I am Dr. Swarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Can infertility treatment cause early menopause? This is a very important question people ask us, that because we're taking treatments for so long, will it cause early menopause to happen? What is early menopause? Before 40, if a woman hits a stage where she does not get periods regularly or she's not getting periods at all, or her estrogen levels have fallen down, her egg quality and quantity has reduced, then it is called as symptoms of early menopause. Why does it happen? There are many reasons for this. Most importantly, the three important reasons that the scientific community is aware of are the genetic factors that are associated with early menopause, autoimmune diseases which can cause early menopause, and some medical conditions like chemotherapy, radiation that can also bring about early menopause. So, is there a connection between fertility treatment and early menopause? Well, infertility treatment involves a lot of ovarian stimulation, as in a number of injections are given so that eggs are grown and taken out. However, remember that the eggs that are grown in that menstrual cycle are the eggs that are anyway going to grow. These are called as the cohort of eggs that are going to be selected for that month. Amongst this cohort, only one egg is going to become dominant and is going to release. So this batch of eggs was anyway going to grow, and only one was going to release and the rest were going to die. Instead of that, fertility treatment, especially ovarian stimulation with injectables, involves the growth of all these eggs and the collection of all these eggs. So this is what is happening during IVF treatments. Now, if you do too many cycles, if more than 6-7 cycles are conducted, where about 6 times IVF has been done, then there is a chance that ovarian reserve might come down. The response to each stimulation might come down. So per se, because of fertility treatment, your ovarian reserve or the quality of eggs will not come down. The next factor is the release of eggs. Now, like I said, it does not affect ovulation. In fact, when these injections are given, the batch of eggs that are grown are all collected. Instead of them going into degeneration or them being wasted by just dying, that batch is entirely collected, including the one that was going to be released anyway. So this is what happens during ovarian stimulation and a natural cycle. Also understand that these injections which are given are causing only temporary hormonal changes. The FSH, LH, GnRH, all these injectables which are given are for that particular cycle, and once they are withdrawn for the period that they are given, and once they are withdrawn, the effect also comes down. Therefore, the side effects are also reversible. There are some age related issues definitely, because if you are above 40 and you are undergoing infertility, then it might occur to you as if the infertility treatment has caused early menopause. It is not so. It may be that it is coinciding with your age also. The menopause is also coinciding with the fertility treatment with the age as well. So these are important questions. So repeated ovarian stimulation cycles, some ovarian surgeries like ovarian puncture for PCOS, etc., may cause a decline in egg supply. So that is one cause of early menopause. Or also some underlying issues may be there which may be causing infertility, but it may seem like infertility treatment has brought about these changes. So per se, infertility treatment does not cause early menopause. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.